Hi, it's Lee here from CommuniCloud. Should be able to see me in the top right of your screen. I'm just doing a video today on how to use Outlook for scheduling meetings with InView. There's an add-in you need to download, and it's very straightforward. Don't forget to pause the video if you need more time to search for things, etc., or rewind, etc., to get all the details right. Now, what you want to do is go to our website. So it's just CommuniCloud.com, and when you do that, tabs across the top of the page. Far right is support. I'm going to click on that one. And we're going to go to the downloads area on our website. We click downloads, and the one at the very bottom, InView Outlook add-in. Ignore this one. It says zip on the end. We're going to go InView Outlook add-in. We just click on that, and when that populates, down towards the bottom underneath download file, there's a link, an exe file. We'll click on that. If you're using Chrome as your browser, it will pop up down here. We're going to open this file. You may be prompted to open this automatically in other browsers. And we just click on install, pretty self-explanatory. So it's been successfully completed, takes but a moment. Now I'm going to close my Outlook and reopen. And a couple more steps and you're done. Just wait for a moment while this comes back up. Now, once we're in here, we'll jump into our calendar. We're going to jump into, jump into File once you're in Calendar. So the tabs across the top of the page, we have File. At the bottom here, we have Options. And once that comes up, at the bottom of this one, or towards the bottom, is Add-ins. So this is an add-in for Outlook. And we can see InView Outlook add-in, and it's in the active area. Sometimes they can appear in the inactive area down here, but essentially we're going to select that and click go. Whether it's inactive or inactive, you're selecting it. Click go. And we're going to make sure it's ticked. InView Outlook add-in is selected, so I go OK. So that's all looking good, and we can tell it's working because when we go to Outlook, and again, we're in the calendar section, we've got schedule meeting with the two speech bubbles there. Now, this now works very similarly to how it works with Outlook. Now, one thing you need to do the first time is log in. So you've got your normal CommuniCloud login, your virtual meeting room. You use one instance here in Outlook, and then you're ready to go. You can choose, type in your subject, the meeting room that you've got set up. You may have multiple meeting rooms. You can choose which one that you wish to use, and all these other regular features, of course, start time, date, etc. You can see it automatically populates how to join the virtual meeting room. Down here in the email, you can add other text that you want, and of course choose other participants in this area in the to field, and send it away. It's really really nice and straightforward to use. People then get, of course, an email that they can accept that then automatically populates their Outlook, and it also has this information in there so that they know how to connect. And we have other videos on connecting via the various means on our YouTube channel. Right. Hope you found this informative. Thanks for watching.